Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing a Dooney Bourke bag, and I left this bag in this box for you all to see. I had mentioned it in my previous video that I had received a box that was like barely hanging on. It looks like it was used in a soccer match and kicked around, but it did not open. But the tape, you can tell like they added some more tape to this box to hold it together. So again, I don't know if this came with this tape on it from Dooney Bourke or if UPS, did it go to UPS? What they do, let me know, y'all, if in your area the shipment happens this way. It'll be sent by UPS if I'm not mistaken, and then they use SurePost, so it goes to the post office. So instead of UPS continuing to just drop it off, they'll send it to the post office, and then the mailman brings it versus it just coming directly from UPS. So I don't know if that's a cheaper way of shipping, if they're saving money by doing that or what. But clearly with that additional handling, it's not reflecting well on their boxes. So I know, believe it was Minnie's Handbags received a box that was very beat up and barely hanging on. And I think Mrs. P. Banks received one as well that was pretty jacked up. So, but her contents were good inside. So we're going to get to see how this one survived this packaging. Because this box, I mean, y'all look. I hope this is in the camera. Look at how it just was really just hanging on. And this came from Dooney Bourke directly. It didn't come from the ILD site. So even though they're probably warehoused in the same, I'm just over the whole beat up box situation. But anyway, y'all, this is an unwrapping of the Dooney Bourke Art Deco Satchel in the color black. This particular silhouette was on pre-order for a while. I'm not sure if it is now, but it was on pre-order for a while. But when I placed the order, even though it said I wouldn't receive it until maybe like over a month and a half later, it was still shipped. Maybe within 2 weeks I was definitely ordering it. It was shipped instead of the month plus that it said I had to wait for it. So this is the satchel, y'all, and I think that is gorgeous. To me, that looks prettier than, I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but it's catching my eye more than my hobo I have. And that's the sticker for it and the code. But I may have to carry this sooner than later. It's a good size right off. I don't recall what the exact measurements were for it online, but I would say that it falls in the same size category as the Olivia, I would say. So it does have feet. The color is just popping, y'all. It looks so vibrant. And I'll bring it closer so y'all can see it. And I don't have my black wallet in here. But this is such a fun pattern. And all these colors, you have so many options for it to be worn with. So let me finish unwrapping it. I'm just admiring the colors. I thought about getting the white in this, but I wasn't sure if I would carry it as much as the black. So I figured the black I would probably carry more, and I went ahead and got this color instead. Well, I can leave that on there. Oh, I didn't even show y'all the hang tag. Let's see. There it goes, satchel. So this satchel may be included in Satchel September. If I waited this long to open this box, I think I can I can wait till Satchel September to go ahead and include it. And the handles are that bright, kind of raw looking vachetta leather. Y'all, am I saying it wrong? Is it vachetta or is it vachetta? Who knows how to pronounce it? Maybe I should ask Google. Because I'm probably mispronouncing it. But let's look inside. Stuff to capacity. I can't take the key keeper out because it's more than likely attached to the strap. And it is. So one thing with this particular satchel and most, the only satchel I think I've seen with the straps to hook on each side, I believe the Kendra hooks on each side. But other than that, the Olivia and the other satchels, it has the cross connection. So it's going to connect here and then go over to this side here as well. But let me finish unstuffing it so y'all can see the inside. I believe this may be my final Art Deco piece. I thought about getting the cosmetic bag, but I don't think I really need that. It's definitely a cute and fun piece to have. But since this purse has so many colors, I can easily get a cosmetic bag of any of these colors to help organize inside of the purse. So that's kind of what I thought about. That was my thought process on not getting the cosmetic bag for it. But I mean, that could change, especially if it goes on sale even more later in the year. So the first thing I see inside, I'm not sure if y'all can see that. There's like a gathered stitching here at the bottom. So I guess that was their way of kind of closing off the stitching in the center. Kind of surprised to see that there. It has the Dooney Bourke leather logo patch, and this is the back side of the purse. Zipper, registration card, front slip pocket in front of the zipper, and then on the front of the bag it has the larger slip pocket and then the smaller slip pocket. So in all, I would say it's a pretty good size. I don't know if I would carry it with the crossbody strap or not, or if I would just probably primarily use it by the top handles. I know this particular leather is known for staining pretty easily, so I will be spraying it with my Apple brand guard, rain and stain guard spray to protect it. And I don't know, I may put like a scarf or something on the handles to kind of try to preserve those as well. Or just maybe see how it does over time with patina and how it kind of takes on its own color. So we'll see. I hate to have the handles wrapped in a scarf and they look brand new, but everything else, like the zipper and the leather tab here on the side, like everything else patinas except for the handles, that may look a little weird, but I don't know. But I do look forward to carrying it. This is definitely a very vibrant pattern and bag to carry, but I believe it can be carried all year round. So no season, I would say it cannot be excluded from any season. It can be worn at any time. So y'all, comment below. Let me know if you have any Art Deco pieces. What's your favorite piece? One of my favorite pieces are silhouettes from the Art Deco. It definitely is the large zip around wristlet. I feel like that wristlet, the black and the white, can go with almost any bag. And it's so pretty. Depending on the bag, it can probably take away from it, kind of steal the show from the bag a little bit. But it definitely matches a variety of bags and colors, and it can go with many silhouettes, almost any silhouette as well. Even if it's pebble grain leather or Florentine, the large zip around wristlet that goes with this, it matches very well. So this one, I plan to carry my wallet, large zip around wristlet that matches, or I may have a little fun and pick a color out of here and carry a wristlet with it that color. But I mean, to have the set together, more than likely probably carry the Art Deco wallet / wristlet with it. But that's it, y'all. This is the Dooney Bourke Art Deco satchel in the color black. So I'm definitely going to enjoy it for Satchel September. And I look forward to seeing more satchels that you all share with everyone as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. As always, have a wonderful day.